Greetings from Playa de Perellonet, long beach in the south coast of Valencia, approximately 25 kilometers from the center. And yes, this is both long and wide beach, and I'm at the very beginning of the beach that starts right after El Perelló. And yes, this is my fourth beach visit for today, and I'm gonna explore along the coast over there. And this beach is it's quite huge, so I might take a swim also towards the end when it reaches the next beach. So yes, let's then get ready for a swim over here in the Mediterranean Sea. It is 2nd of October today, and currently it is 26 degrees Celsius. And yes, what a nice Monday to explore the beauty of the Mediterranean Sea here in Valencia. So let's go. The sea looks amazing. And you can find your own inner peace on this super long beach, El Perellonet. So yes, those rocks are actually dividing this beach from the other one. That's called Playa del Perelló. And there are here also some apartments or hotels overlooking the sea. And there are also some nudist beaches along the coast here that we're gonna explore. Oh, I see also some buildings from the central part of Valencia from over here. So, yes. I'll be walking a lot today. So far I did 15,000 steps, but I'm gonna do a lot more. Let's see if I'm gonna break the record from yesterday, which it was about 54,000 steps. Yes, I made a new step record yesterday as I explored so many sites yesterday and also beaches. Cool, then let's enjoy the Mediterranean Sea. Come along with me, let's go. So nice and so cool. So refreshing. Perfect October swim in the Mediterranean Sea. To be fair, Valencia has quite mild climate throughout the whole winter, so even if I come here in December or January, I would then swim also as well, but maybe not the local people, as they would be having winter jackets on them. Yeah, I'm kidding. So yes, as you can see, the beach will continue all the way along. It's around 3 to 4 kilometers. And that is also, there is also after that a canal that connects to the other beaches that we're gonna explore for sure. But yes, that's a wrap from Playa de El Perellonet, or Playa del Perellonet in both Spanish and Catalan. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!